What's up? It's your girl April. Your girl is back with another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
What better than to get into than the cognac, the yak, the brown liquor. We are doing white Hennessy though today, baby. I need to know, why is this not sold in the US? Why is it not on the Hennessy website? Why is it just everywhere in the islands? I'm curious, but it doesn't take away from the fact that it's a damn good product. And in the past, you know, it's like, oh, white Hennessy, oh, it's so good, it's so special. And we would only drink it with like straight, really. So we're gonna pair it with the Lillet. You know, let's save yourself the embarrassment of calling it Lillet. Because look, hey, we all do it. You know, it's kind of like in that one. First off, my references are very specific, which you will see over time. It's kind of like the Saved by the Bell girl in the movie was like,
Nice dress.
Thanks. I bought it at Versace.
and I could go on and on because look, I've done it where when quinoa came out and I'm like, and Whole Foods like, can I get the quinoa? They're like, ma'am, you mean quinoa? Yeah. Thanks for making me look like the asshole in front of everyone, but hey.
And that's like saying when I saw chorizos / churros when they just came out, my grandma calls them chorizos. That's like saying churros and Cheetos mixed together into Doritos.
Hey, there you go. You heard it front and center. We've all done it. And yeah, it's Lillet. 1.5 ounces of Hennessy. Now, don't forget you can use any Hennessy that you like. I mean, it's, of course, they taste different, yes, but nobody's gonna die if you use a VSOP. Then we're gonna take 1/2 ounce of the Lillet. Then we're gonna take, I made the chamomile syrup. I took a 1/2 ounce of sugar, 1/2 ounce of water. I mean, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water. Put it on the stove, let it dissolve. Then I put 2 chamomile tea bags in it. So we're gonna do a, what am I talking about? Not a 1/2 ounce, a 0.75 ounce. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of, I squeezed some fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of some lemon. Then we're gonna shake. Ice. What? Oh my God. It tastes like, if you like sidecars, it tastes like a sidecar times 100. It tastes like the most, I'm gonna put that to the side because I need that for a photo. So make sure you check me out on my YouTube channel, Soiree Cocktails. It is in the link in my bio, and if you are on my YouTube channel, check out my Instagram at Soiree Cocktails on Instagram. And until next time.